Hey, quick review of the Clean Cult. I started buying these laundry detergent sheets. One, I wanted to get something that was clean. I tried to make my own laundry detergent before and it just didn't come out very well. But there's no parabens, phthalates, phosphates, phosphorus, SLS, all of these little things, the stuff that you don't want in there. Now, there is fragrance in this one because I also got tired of my laundry not having a clean scent. And this one is lavender, which I absolutely love. So I love that it's non-toxic, and I also like that it's so easy. The packaging is so nice. So you can use one of these if you have a big load. You can break it in half if you have smaller loads. But this is 60 loads, and it keeps my laundry room nice and neat. I don't have liquid that I have to worry about spilling. I've got 3 little dogs, so I just want to keep things up out of the way, but I want it to look neat, and I just like this packaging so much better. So again, just easy to clean, easy to use, cleans great. It works just as well as any of the other laundry detergents that I've used, so I really like this one, and again, I love the lavender scent.